Grade 3's class. I'm here in the classroom and I'm really missing you, but I'm glad that you're at home and you can watch some videos of me and Mrs. Ariat. And what's kind of nice is I don't have to wear a mask because there's no one here to spread my germs to, so you can see my whole face. Here it is. Okay, here is our Earth, planet Earth, where we live. Remember? Now, we have talked about two parts of the Earth that are super, super cold. They're freezing. They're the coldest places on our planet. The North Pole and the South Pole. You guys remember last week we talked about polar bears? See some polar bears right here? Now they do not live at the South Pole. They live in the Arctic, which is the North Pole. The North is at the top and South Pole is at the bottom. So we could say that these two places are on opposite sides of the Earth. Opposites mean completely different. All the way at the top is completely opposite of all the way at the bottom. So I sent home with you guys a little worksheet that you can do at home. You can color your Earth a little bit like mine. Right here we have green because this is where the land is. And all of this around the land is blue because it's the ocean. And you can just leave the North Pole and the South Pole white because they're covered in a ton of ice and snow. So let's read the instructions together, or it's actually a riddle. It says, why aren't penguins afraid of polar bears? The answer, because penguins live at the South Pole and polar bears live at the North Pole. So they aren't afraid of polar bears because they don't even live around polar bears. So what you'll do is you'll take your penguins and we're gonna glue the penguins down. I have tape, but you'll have glue. And we're gonna glue the penguins where they live. They're not at the North Pole, they're at the South Pole. And the polar bears, we're gonna glue them where they live. The opposite of the South Pole is the North Pole. There's my polar bears. I can't wait to see you guys finish your worksheet at home with your parents, and you can tell them that the North Pole and the South Pole are on opposite sides, but they're both very, very cold. And let me tell you a little secret. Do you want to know which one is coldest? The place with the coldest temperatures in the whole entire world? It's not the North Pole, even though it's really cold up there. The coldest place in the whole world is the South Pole. It gets so, so cold that I don't even want to go there. It's way too cold there for me. Not very many animals live there either because it's so cold. Penguins can handle it though because they're made to live in the South Pole. All right, see you later.